Okay guys, I am Joni from Flat Creek Digital, and I've had a lot of people asking how to do this design right here. This is making it look like neon lights, very 80s themed. It's super simple, and just wanted to show y'all how. I'm learning too, so just wanted to make sure everybody knows that I'm no expert by no means. But this is what I do, and it's actually very simple. So let's go to it. I've already made my name, Flat Creek Digital. Basically duplicate it 4 times. If you don't know how to duplicate, just right click and hit duplicate, and it'll make you a duplicate of what you have selected. Alright, so let's go to it, and basically what I do is I'll highlight all my images or font, go to path, object to path, click off of it, and basically that just allows us to now change the size of the font more easy, do like an offset. But first let's pick our color. Let's see, let's do, I don't know, let's do a pink. That's my favorite. Alright, so you want to start with basically a darker color. So let's do that, and also we can hit shift and click this color as well, and it'll also make your stroke the same color as your actual fill color, and it makes it larger too, and you're going to be making it larger later. So, and then next you want to do is just go down the line to the lighter colors. I try not to do the one next to it because it's very similar. So let's just say I'll do this one, and then hit shift again in the color again to do the outline, or not the outline but your stroke. Alright, go to your next one, choose a lighter color. Let's choose this one. Of course, you know, shift to do the stroke as well, and see how you have 3 different colors. Right, now this color is going to be your top color, which will be white. And since, you know, now you can't really see it with your background, it's just easy to fix. Just go to your file, document properties, and down here at background, just background color, and you can change it to any of these options. I just like this one because it's easier to change it. It don't really matter, you can do it on either one, but just go here, and I just changed it to a grayer color so you can see now. Alright, now this is where it gets fun. You have to do a blur. You're kind of just going to do a blur at a larger size going to a smaller size, and you're going to leave this one alone. So how you do that is, remember when we selected all of them and we did the object to path, make sure you do that, and then unselect all of them, just kind of clicking in a blank space, and then click. This is what we're going to do first. We are going to make each one of these larger, except for this one. This one's going to stay the same. We're just going to kind of do an offset. That goes back to here where we did the path, and make sure everything is object to path, because that will allow you to go here, which is path effects, and then this will pop up in this little window, which is path effects. You're just going to come down here to this little plus sign. Okay, it's going to give you all of these effects options. You want to choose offset. Okay, now you're going to want this one larger, this one just a tad bit smaller, and then a tad bit, you know, it's kind of going to all go layered on top of one another. So let's make this one, let's see, I don't know, let's just start going up. Just do about there, so that's it. 3.10, same thing, click on the next one, plus sign, offset. And then this one was at 3.1, so let's try 2, see what that looks like. Okay, the next one. Let's put this one at, well, let's just go ahead and type it in faster. 1. Let's go a little bit bigger with this one. Kind of just gotta play around with this. It doesn't have to be perfect. I like that better. They just need to be a little bit different than each. Okay, let's see. Now that we did that, we're done with our offset. I'm going to go up here to your fill and stroke option. Okay. And then you're just going to start blurring, which is down here at the bottom. And you're just going to blur. Let's see. Let's do about maybe 20 or so. Like I said, it doesn't have to be precise. Let's do about maybe, I don't know, 15 or so. Yeah. Alright. Then stay about right there. And of course, we're leaving this one alone. Now, what you do to get these to line up right, go up here to your layering options, and then you're going to raise this one. Do it in this order. Raise this one to the top. Raise this one to the top. Alright, now you're going to start placing them in place. And it's kind of magical watching it. It kind of turns into neon right in front of you. Alright. Now you can highlight all of them. Go up here to your align and distribute. Make sure this says last selected. And then just hit these right here where you're center on vertical axis. And center on horizontal axis. And that'll put it all on top of one another. See? That's it. Super easy. Oh, make sure you group it together so it don't do that. Inkscape can be finicky. Alright, let's change this to black so you can see it better. Put it on top. See? Super easy 80's neon lights. And now you can make stuff like this. I mean, it's all the same general idea. I mean, take whatever you want, use whatever font you want, and make it look neon. Thank y'all, and hopefully I can show y'all on the next video how to make the palm tree with the gradient colors. That's super easy. Just keep an eye out. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.